Hey guys, it's John from John's DIY Playground. Just giving you a little quick update here on our planter project in our garden. Seeing I'm filling this things up here. Each one holds 11 cubic feet. And first tip I want to give you is buy soil from a landscaping place, and you can get a cube and a half here is what I paid for in Michigan, is $65. Now 3 little tiny bags of Miracle-Gro are like $30, and that's like, I don't know, something like 20% of what this is. So for the bang for the buck, go get some stuff from the landscaping yard. Next thing is, if you do have multiple ones, planters like I do, if you want to get them in line, I just took a little bit of re-rod and some fishing twine and ran it the distance, and then put the planters up close to it, about the same distance from the line, so that they're all in alignment. Of course, if you're an engineer like me, it'll drive you nuts if they're not perfectly aligned. And then another thing is this landscaping fabric. Landscaping fabric, I just didn't want the grass to eventually find its way up into my garden. So the tip I have to offer here, especially if you're working by yourself, is to just drape it over the top a little bit, and then put these clips on here, and then start loading the dirt in. Another tip is, once you're starting to scoop the dirt in the middle, pour it in the middle, and then take your hands and spread the dirt up against the sides, so that you can keep the landscaping fabric from collapsing on you. It just makes it a lot easier to fill the box up. Especially if you're working on your own. So that's it for now. We're going to put in a trellis as well. I'll have a separate quick video on that, but that's it. Go back and look at my other video if you're interested in the construction of these and where I got them, and we'll keep plugging away here. This is John from John's DIY Playground. Have a great day.